JJ, look at them pennies. Oh, girl. So penny. You got lots of pins. JJ starting to molt and her pins are coming in. She's going to be a pain. She's going to be in pain. She's come to daddy for some relief. Some penny relief, huh, JJ? I don't know. They're so fresh. I can't do much with them. They're too penny. JJ, they too penny. You're gonna be achy, girl, as this new feathers come in. Oh, yosh. Yosh, JJ. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Ooh, look at the alien skin. The alien pins. Oh, look at that. Ooh, yosh, yosh. Oh gosh, JJ. How are we gonna take care of that? Wait till they grow in a little more. Your pins. You're like a hedgehog, yellow hedgehog. It's Jordan the hedgehog. She's got her little yellow quills. Yeah, a little spiky half hedgehog. Jordan wants to be a hedgehog. She's mutating. Mutating into the yellow hedgehog. There's more in there. Yeah, there's more down there. Oh. Whoosh. JJ, look at all that. Your spikes. Spikes. Alright, JJ. You're a good girl. I know that's achy. You're going to be a little crabby while they grow in. Crabby girl. You're not so crabby now. It feels good. Ooh, it feels good. You gotta work it though. Whoosh. Oh, we got a gray pin. Your grays are coming through. That feels so good.